Hey guys, welcome back to RideNow TV, where we talk about all things power sports. Today we're talking about the Hexis UTV dual bladder hydration system. Let's take a look at some of the features of this hydration pack. The dimensions of this pack are 16 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. If you look at the top and the bottom, you'll find the universal mounting straps that you can secure to most roll cages behind the seats. We have a unit here, so let me show you guys how to mount it. So it also comes with bottom straps too, so that way you can secure it down even further. You basically just loop the straps where you want and make sure they're going to be out of the way, so that way it's secured down tight. So the front of this pack has MOLLE compatible webbing for customizable storage solutions. The material is made out of a Trimax 1680 ballistic nylon. Not only is this material rugged, but it's also UV treated and water resistant. The insulated zipper compartment helps keep dirt and dust out of your stuff. Inside you'll find the dual 2-liter bladder system that has separate hydration for 2 people. I also like the insulated drink tube that clips to the side right here when not in use. Each drink tube comes with a standard bite valve that's also color-coded, so that way you know which one's yours. So all Hexis hydration packs come with a 1-year warranty, and they are available at most RideNow locations. So guys, stop in and pick one up for your ride. Remember to ride safe, ride often, and ride now. All right guys, so make sure you put any questions you have in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button to see more from RideNow Powersports, and we'll see you guys next time.